So this is my current desk setup, and it does look good, but I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it needs some work. The room is coming together beautifully, and I just feel like the desk is missing some things. Plus, I have an amazing new gaming PC coming in, so I definitely have to upgrade the setup. Anyways, y'all, let's not waste any more time and get right into upgrading my dream desk. Yeah, guys, I won't lie, we bought quite a bit. Actually, hold on, I'm missing one more box. Now I have everything. I think this should be everything I need for my desk setup, besides my actual PC, which should be coming in tomorrow. So I'm mad excited for that, but it's really just time to get all this stuff unpacked, to get it set up so that I'm finally kind of just ready to start streaming this spot. I don't know, it's very exciting. Let's get to it. Now, y'all, I was so excited, I didn't even clean my desk off first. I actually got right into building the riser, but once I finished that off, then of course I cleaned off my desk, got rid of not only the monitors, but all the cords, all the little stands that I have, everything. Literally, I tried to get it as clean as possible. And then once it was nice and squeaky clean, it was time to add the riser and everything else back to my desk. Now for this setup, I'm keeping the dual monitors, but instead of doing them side by side, I'm gonna be stacking them on top of each other, which I'm hoping with the addition of the new monitor arm and the riser, I should have a lot more desk space. Now, unfortunately, I didn't account for the height on the riser, and this monitor arm actually doesn't work for my desk, and I will have to get a new one. So for the time being, I'm using the monitor stand and just one of the monitors on the new arm that I got. Now, it's annoying, but I'm just gonna work with what I can until I get a new monitor arm. Now, in addition to that, I also got myself a new desk clamp for my camera because I am planning on streaming here, as well as this key light from Neewer, and low-key, this setup has already got me so excited. This is probably how my setup is gonna look for the stream, well, at least when I'm in full screen, but I just can't wait. Besides that, for now, I do plan on switching up this desk mat, and I actually got a brand new mouse. So it's finally time to say bye to that old raggedy Razer one and hello to this new and improved one. This desk is already starting to come together with just a few changes. Now I'm just waiting for the PC to deliver tomorrow and a few more items so I could finally have my dream desk setup. Yeah, it's about 10 a.m. And I was literally just doing some work sitting at my desk. We got an email that my PC delivered, but I didn't hear the doorbell ring or anything, so I guess we'll just go check it out. Yeah, I don't see it nowhere. It is supposed to be delivered today, but that was just very odd. Damn, man, that got me excited for nothing. Let me just check the tracking, because in transit, delivering today. Where was it delivered? So guys, just to give you all a little update, it's like an hour later. I'm in like limbo right now. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling like I got scammed. Based off the tracking, it was shipped out Monday or Tuesday, and it got to my city like literally Wednesday. Got returned to the sender. So they gave me a new tracking label. It got re-delivered back to the PC company. Very confusing, but regardless, I called Purelator and I had to wait quite a while on the phone. They told me the PC company called them and said, send it back to us. To me, that just sounds very sus. And so I sent them an email. Their phone lines don't open up till 11:30 and it's only 10:37. So I have to wait for about an hour, and I'm low-key stressing because I bought all this stuff and I have this new setup that I'm so excited to just start working on and start streaming and doing all this shit, and I can't do it without the PC. We're gonna try and figure it out in like an hour or so and then kind of go from there. If it's not looking good, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to charge back and then buy a new PC, do this whole build process again, which is like just so stressful. Like, yeah, now I'm just waiting. So hopefully it turns out for the better. You know, I'm gonna keep a positive mindset here. I'll keep you guys updated. See y'all in a little bit. It's funny because I try to stay positive and get more work done, yet this happened as soon as I got to work. That hurt so bad. Oh my gosh. If I have a black eye, y'all know why. Now my face was hurting, but I guess on the bright side, I got in my new monitor stand and it actually looks really good. It suits my desk, I think, perfectly. After everything that just happened, I'm glad to be back and finally bringing you guys some good news. You see, I am filming for my new desk setup, and I do plan on changing some of the stuff in the background, so don't mind that right now. Once I talked to the PC company, they let me know that everything was actually on Purelator. Not only did Purelator make the mistake and make the return label on their own, but also the PC company was quite angry, and honestly, they did a great job kind of just like making me feel assured in the situation. So guys, basically the update is the new PC is coming in tomorrow, and I've said it 1,000 times, so I'm so excited. I just can't wait to start using it, getting it set up, and hopefully streaming for you guys. So with that being said, I do have a few more things that I want to purchase for this desk. I'm thinking like a lava lamp, new lamp. But y'all, the PC comes first. I guess the next time you guys see me, I'll be setting up my new PC. I'm so glad to say that my PC finally came in and it's time to unbox this thing. I was excited to see they gave me a free keyboard and mouse that I can actually give away to one of you guys. So leave your Instagrams down in the comments below. But damn, this thing is a beauty. Before setting it up, I actually unboxed my new keyboard from Gravastar. It actually matches my mouse, and I just love the combo of the two because it looks so futuristic and unique on my desk. My setup's about to be so fire. Now, once cleaning off my desk for my PC, I just realized how big this thing actually is. And yeah, it's just not gonna fit on my desk at all. This is definitely another time I wish I had a bigger room, but unfortunately, I'm just gonna have to put the PC on the floor. I know it's against all PC rules, but there's just nothing else I could do with it. Please don't hate me in the comments, y'all. I'm trying my best here. Now, y'all, I got most of my stuff re-downloaded on this PC, and I do have a lot of organizing of the cords that I have to do. But before I do any of that, I just want to finish decking out the desk. So I got a lamp, some Govee lights, and I'm gonna just style this thing out. Now, guys, this is kind of just the last little bits of sauce that I feel like my desk was missing. It may not be important for y'all, but I feel like all the little pops of light and color just make me want to sit at my desk and work for longer. Plus, I could always just switch up the vibe whenever I'm feeling like it. Now, for the last few additions for my desk, I did add this shelf behind my monitors. I did get a new lava lamp, which I think is so dope and aesthetic. And to finish it off, I did move my pegboard to the side of my desk, which just makes a lot of my things so much more accessible. Now, y'all, I know it's looking crazy. I already gave y'all a few sneak peeks, but before we get into the full montage of like my final desk setup, I do want to kind of just quickly go through all the pickups and how much like this whole setup actually costed me. It was a little bit more than I had expected, but if I'm being honest, you know what? Let's just cut the rambling. I'll explain that stuff later. Let's just get right into it. So, of course, I did get a new mushroom lamp as well as a lava lamp, a key light, a camera mount, a new desk mat, keyboard and mouse, a desk riser, and my new monitor stand. Oh, and of course, I don't know how I almost forgot, but my new gaming PC. Now, of course, I feel like if we're talking about the gaming PC itself, that alone is more expensive than everything that I just picked up for my new setup. So if we're being honest, I don't really want to account that into the price of the desk setup itself, because I feel like if you have a desk setup, you're probably gonna have a laptop or some type of PC. I did pay around $650, which, like I said, is a little bit more than I was hoping to. But if we're being real, if you aren't creating content or planning on streaming at your desk, you won't really need the key light or the camera mount, which alone deducts around $180 from that cost, which would get you guys under $500. And I mean, if we're being even more realistic, you probably don't need a keyboard and mouse combo that costs you $250. There's a few places where you could save some money and get that $650 to somewhere around $200 and $250, which in my opinion is a lot more affordable for a dope desk setup like this. I mean, guys, at the end of the day, it's important to feel comfortable in your space, and I'd never recommend copying everything that I pick up anyways, but to rather take some inspiration and get what you guys truly love, because at the end of the day, it's important to feel comfortable in your own space. And I feel like I can finally say that I have my dream workspace slash gaming area. Unfortunately, all this means for me is that I probably have to spend a little bit more money to get my room looking as nice as this new setup. But before I get too ahead of myself, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Anyways, guys, let's finally get into the montage of my new and improved dream desk setup.
Sick of hearing that you love me like that. Bulletproof, but you stabbed me in my back. This heart of mine don't got no room for love. I pray to God that you don't set me